guys, welcome to this module. And now that we have determined that stickers and t-shirt designs are something that we would be focusing on, I wanted to introduce you to the tool that we're going to be using to make them. I'm talking about Canva. Canva is an online content creation platform. It has a focus on design. It is basically a type of online Photoshop, not for editing, but for design specifically, which is ideal for individual creators and small businesses who might not have the design skills or access to a designer. You do not need to be a skilled designer to start or know anything about design. And it is simply because Canva is very simple to use and user-friendly. It is basically a drag and drop design platform. Canva is also 100% free, but there is a paid version called Canva Pro, which I've never used since the free version has all the options I've ever needed. And the free version of Canva is something that I would recommend you guys to use, since the point of this side hustle is to make passive income without any upfront investment. So you guys can either go ahead and click on sign up using Google, Facebook, or email or any other way. Or you guys can log in if you guys have a pre-existing account.